Hello everyone, in this video, we will show you the story of disaster management in the topic Smart Use Good Community. This video addressed to broadcast the result of the project and to demonstrate the disaster warning system. Smart Use Good Community Project is a project running by Network Disaster Management. The project is related to integrated water resources management that could enhance water resources management towards economic efficiency, social cohesion and environmental sustainability. Many Southeast Asian countries have cultural or ecological water management scheme related to IWRM principles, included by using GIS software warning disaster, leading youth and community to help the warning system, enhancing a participatory work with government and local community. Yam Lower River Basin, where is located in BangRaKum Subdistrict, BangRaKum District, Phitsanulok Province, is dampened water from Yam River that flows from Phayao and Sukhothai. In the flood season, water floods recurred annually. The year when water flowed fully to inundate since September to October. However, Yam River Basin people can adapt the water crisis toward the opportunity of income, fishing, the fishmonger, and food processing. This is reflected that men adopt equally their way of life with flooding situation. Therefore, this water must be quarantined. It is stored in the pool or depression, which is called gambling and farms. Gambling is water management works of His Majesty King Balmi Baladolia Day in a localized area, detention basin, to solve the flooding problem. Currently, there are large gambling areas in the east of Bangkok where is constructed above Suvarnabhumi Airport. An interesting thing in this project is to demonstrate of community's disaster warning system. This is notified by the community in a disaster event that comes along with the geographical coordinates of the scene for a supporting plan to help victims quickly with smartphone. The 2P and 2R framework was applied in planning for disaster management. 1. Preparation is preparing to pre-disaster prevention. 2. Prevention is sustainable prevention and implemented an action plan and short-term plan, medium-term plan, and long-term plan. 3. Response is when disaster is occurred. We are able to cope with the disaster. 4. Recovery is taking care physical and mental health throughout the restoration of the basic factors that are essential to their survival and recovering environment. The first step for working. We started with creating a network of cooperation between the community party, governmental sector, local government, local leader, teacher, children, youth, Thai army, private sector, and volunteers. They were invited to participate with brainstorming, focus group discussion for planning about disaster management with 2P and 2R principle. We analyzed holistically about the topic was predicted to happen, including threat, risk, vulnerable disasters, the influx of water, flood risk areas, determining evacuation routes, which is abuse and shortest for victims, temporary shelter, and refuge. Working with the participation of partners has caused the community disaster management plans which integrate man, work, and resources from various agencies. When the community plans, local communities need to act as soon as possible with hand-making information such as community maps and hand information. Hand-making information was defined as bedridden patient, the disabled, and the elderly register. This is improved appropriately with high technology and saved systematically. Importantly, disaster management network coached skills that is necessary and practiced a sudden flood coping plan in simulational situation. We collaborate with teachers and youth who participated to train the skill using a collector for ArcGIS application on smartphone and tablet for informing a help to communities disaster warning GIS. When victim notified their need to the system via network channel, then it automatically displayed on a computer of disaster management network collaborating center only 1 to 2 minutes to get a help. Coordination to provide assistance to the victims is a hub between an emergency informer and the Office of the Provincial Disaster Prevention and Mitigation Center. and then the officer coordinate the relevant sectors such as Three Stone Army Area Center. They access the same database which showed geographic coordinates of the accident, the severity of the disaster, images, sounds and other details that are required to make plans to help the victims. After that, troops searched and assisted victims via helicopter by helping them everywhere. Also, we provided emergency medical services at the field hospital. This is one of a good project which is implemented appropriately integrated water resources management in practice. Hence, we recommended that we should learn and adapt equally the way of life with natural circumstance. The decision-making of high power needed to base on empirical evidence and enough information by using GIS. Lastly, participation from every unit of society played an important role to solve the problem. Every time, everywhere, and every condition.